Hey, welcome to episode 7 3D printed hair pick. The footage that you are about to see was filmed in 2020. I hope you enjoy.
Hey, lit. Welcome back. Can you 3D print a pick? I'm black, so I don't use a comb. I use a pick to pick out my extremely nappy hair. So, this is just a regular plastic pick from, I don't even know. You can get them literally almost anywhere. And so here are the picks that I drew. So it's the same pick. This was just the first one, and it failed. You should be able to see like all the nitty gritty, uneven stuff over here. But this is the second one that, well, this is really like the fifth or sixth one that printed. But this is the one that finished 100%. So this is made out of PETG. I have PLA, but I figured the PLA would snap, and I thought the PETG would have more give in it, because whenever I do pick my hair, you might be able to see it. The pick bends quite a bit. Like my hair has a lot of resistance, but this is the PETG pick, so let's just see if it works. Looks like it does, actually. I'm pretty surprised. This pick took an hour and like 15 minutes to print out. I drew it in Autodesk Inventor. It took me like maybe 30 minutes to model it. I just, set that in front of me, drew it up real quick. I mean, this is a lot wider, and the teeth are a lot bigger, but I mean, it works for the most part. Oh, there we go. Got some bend going on right here. So you can see, like right in here is where it bent. So I guess you can 3D print a pick and it will work for a little bit, but I guess the next thing to do would be to increase the thickness, maybe, to get it to work fully and not break. But I mean, it was working. It was working a little bit. And the best part is, the teeth aren't even what snapped. Like, I thought these parts were gonna break, but it broke at the base. So to me, this is a win in my book. It kind of gets the job done a little bit. Well, that's all for this episode. Tune in next time. And as always, stay lit, America. Hey, lit. Welcome back to 3D Printed Pick Part 2. So, earlier today, this was version 1. I mean, it took me like a few times to print this, but this is the first successful finished version. So, this right here is version 2. Now, the main differences are there's a little wall right here, and there's not one here. But as you saw in the earlier video, it broke, like, down at the base. So, regular pick has the same little wall that I just added. So, yeah. And of course, what's a 3D printing video without the fails? That was a fail. This was the fail 1v1. Throw that down there. And then this is fail for V2. I mean, you can clearly see there is some warpage, and if you look close enough, there is a fatty layer shift. You can see clearly where it shifted out of place. So, let's see if V2 works better than V1 with that wall added. Here we go. I'm kind of speechless right now, like. Wow. Let's see if I can get I know it's gonna break, like, my hair is so nappy, you guys don't even know. Ugh. much that hurts. But I guess you can 3D print a pick. I mean, obviously, physically you can, but like functionally is the question. And so, yeah, it works. It's crazy how literally adding that one wall for more support is what got the job done. I'm pretty impressed and pretty surprised. And again, this took about an hour and 15 minutes. I think the print time was honestly the same as the first time, like an hour and some change, really. And again, this is PETG, so this is a lot stronger, has a lot more give than PLA. I feel like if I made it in PLA, the moment I stick it in and pull it out, it's going to go and just snap. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for more. And as always, you stay lit, America.
Regular size pick. Jumbo pick. Could quite possibly be the biggest pick ever made. That's crazy. This thing only took 5 hours to make. All right, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that footage. The printed pick was a fun project to kind of test out and try. Like most things, can it be done? And clearly it could be done. So the jumbo pick actually did break. Right here, this was where I tried to glue it back together as I was pulling it out. Snap. And this was supposed to be all green, but I ran out of green, so that's why this top face is red. But that's not really important. This is also PTG. So, thank you for watching. Go make something. And as always, you stay lit, America.